With all the recent news of Facebook and the privacy issues and the accessing of data and personal information being shared, I wanted to put a video out to show you guys what Facebook can actually see of yours to make sure that you are well aware of what all of your information is being shared. Hello everyone, my name is Andy and welcome back to CappTech. For the most part, Facebook doesn't see anything more than what you give it permission to, and I'll show you what I mean by that. From the actual Facebook main page, if you go up under the very top right hand corner and click the little drop down arrow, and go down near the very bottom to where it says Settings. Now when you click on this is going to bring your general account settings up. Over on the left hand side near the bottom, you're going to see one that says Apps and Websites. If you click on this and open it up, you're going to see three different tabs at the top: active, expired, and removed. We're going to focus on the active ones right now. This is a list of everything that you've given access to your Facebook feed. If you've ever tried to play a game of what kind of breakfast food are you, or which one of the Breakfast Club members are you, or anything those come up, or any of those quizzes or things like that, you're giving those permission to access your Facebook feed so that it can post on your behalf, but it can also access your information. So this lists everything that you've given access to. This also takes into account anytime you've ever used your Facebook login to access another site. Sometimes you'll see one of those pages where you can log in with an email address or log on as Facebook. This is going to show up here. Right at the moment, I only have 3 apps here because I've gone through and removed them in the past. These are ones that I know I use on a regular basis for my business, such as this channel, and so these are ones that I want to make sure that's on there. So anytime you see anyone here that you're a game or a website you don't have access to, all you have to do is just click the little checkbox and click remove, and it'll remove it from this page, and that particular site no longer has access to your information. If you see something here that you do want to keep on there, you can click this view and edit button, and this will tell you everything that can be seen by that specific app. You can scroll down and you can see that it's got your public profile information. If you scroll down a little bit further, the app visibility, you can change it to just only you, or you can select your friends, friends of friends, public, all that information. Now when you get down to what this app can do, you'll see where it says this app can manage your business, manage your page, show a list of pages managed. You got all these little blue check marks here, and if you want to disable the ability for an app or a website or a program to do this, all you have to do is just click the little blue check mark and click save, and it no longer has access to do that. So this is the main place in where you're going to be able to see everything that has access to your Facebook profile. So of course, if you see things here that you don't recognize or things you don't use, remove them. The second thing that you want to be able to check to see what Facebook can and can't see of yours is under the ad setting, which is over on the left side right under apps and websites. So you click on ads, and it's going to load up a different looking page. This is going to bring up all the information that Facebook is using to generate the ads that you see on there. Facebook makes its money via ads, and so it's going to have ads pop up. And surely everybody has seen the issues where, oh, I had a dream about mattresses one night, and the next day, hey, they were showing up on my timeline in Facebook. Most of the ad information that Facebook uses comes from cookies, which are generated information from websites you visit that's stored on your computer. That's generally how most websites share information about you. It's not really specific personal information, it's just information about sites you've been to. But you can select on your different interests, and you can see all the different pages that you've liked in the past. You can click on advertisers you've interacted with, specific information about, your relationship status and your employer and your chief title and your education, all that other stuff. And you can turn that on and off, and whether or not ads can see that about you and your categories. And then general ad settings down here below. You can go in and turn, specifically, you can completely grant all the ads in the world that you want to, or you can turn them off just by clicking at them. So ads that include your social actions, things that you may like a specific page, you can come down under here in the drop down and choose no one, and that way when you like something, it doesn't share it out there. This is where you can control all the information about what Facebook ads see of your information. You can go through and hide specific things that you want to about, like alcohol, parenting, pets, other topics that's on here, and you can see how long you want to hide those. So this ads page right here is where you'll control everything that Facebook is allowed to see of yours to generate your ads. So by default, a lot of this is already set to not allowed or only my friends for basic privacy concerns, but if you've given access to certain websites or pages, some of these may have changed. So these are the places in which you'll want to make sure that you have the settings set up the way you want them to, so that nobody can see anything on your page or nobody's accessing your private information unless you give them specific access to it. And that's really about it. That's going to be the basis for keeping track of what is allowed to see your Facebook information. So it's worthy of checking out just to make sure that you aren't sharing anything that you don't want anybody else to see. So if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see if I can help you out with it. If you found the video useful or informational, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button down below the video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss on future videos, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, and you'll get notified when videos go live. Thank you guys so much for your time and support. You have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later.